Number 4. Who's fouler? Number 0. Number 0, first personal foul, first team foul. First throw. No good. Second throw. No good again. Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 4. Number 4, set the play. Pass to number 23. Tumira ng 3. No good. Players ball. Bismin ball. Inbound by number 23, pass to number 4, pass to number 33. 10 seconds to shoot. 14 to shoot. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 0, 2 points by number 0. Number 6, pass to number 4. 15 to shoot. Number 89, tumira. No good. Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 33. Number 33. Set a play. Pass to number 0. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 23. Number 23. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Nakuha number 6. Number 6. Sumalaksak. 2 points by number 6.
Para maganda yung training namin kanina.
Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Set the play. Number 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 0. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Tumira ng 3. Number 23. 3 points. Score 5-2 in favor of Bismin. Time remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 4, 15 to shoot. Number 4, set up play. Tumira. Who's foul? Number 0. Number 0, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots by number 4. First throw. Basket is good. Second throw.
Thank you, Idol. Salamat ulit. Bisa message kita, bale?
Basket is good again. Inbound by number 0. Pass to number 4. Number 4, set the play. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 4. 15 to shoot. Number 23. Pass to number 4. Nagmamadali number 4. Pass to number 7. Number 7, umatake. No good. Nakuha number 33. Number 33, nagmamadali. Pass to number, nakuha again. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6, 2 points by number 6. Like father, like son.
Ganyan ka siguro, Idol. May pretest ko kanina, sabi ko, pag hindi ka makasya,
6 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot. No good. Nakuha number 89. Pass to number 4. Number 4, set the play. Number 4. Pass to number 89. Number 89, umatake. No good. Nakuha number 7. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4, tumira. 2 points by number 4. Score 7-6. In favor of Bismin. Number 4, set the play. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 89. Number 89, 2 points by number 89. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 4, pass to number 0. Number 0, pass to number 33. 10 to shoot. Number 4, tumira ng 3. number 4. 3 points by number 4. Score 10-8 in favor of Dismin. Time remaining, exactly 5 minutes. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7. Number 7 tumira ng 3. Number 7, 3 points. Change favor. Number 0. Pass to number 4. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 23. Number 23, tumira ng 3. Wala, nako number 89. Number 89, nagmamadali. Matake, pass to number 4. Number 4, no good. Nako number 33. Nako number 4. 15 to shoot. 10. 8. Number 2, set a play. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pupukul ng 3. Number 7, 3 points. Tempo, tempo. Time out, Dismin. Score, 10-14 in favor of Flyers. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 59 seconds.
Camera mo ngayon. Ha? Oo. Ako nang... Yan o. Yeah. Live po tayo ngayon. Bye, mami. Ingat. Oo. Bukas diop niya ata hanggang Webes.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds. 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Inbound by number 4. Pass to number 33. Back to number 4. Number 4, set the play. Pass to number 0. Nako number 0. Out of bounds. Number 4, pass to number 0. Pass to number 23. Back to number 0. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 33. Basket, 2 points by number 33. Number 4, set a play, pass to number 6. Pass to number 89. Number 89, pass to number 33. Pass to number 23. Back to number 33, pass to number 4. Time remaining 15, shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 7, no good. Nakuha number 4. 2 points by number 4. Number 4.
Ay, cambio.
Set a play. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 0. Number 0. 10 to shoot. Falta. Number 7. Cambio, cambio. To shoot.
Dito kasi pre. Pati dito ka.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9. Nakuha number 7. Number 6. Number 6. Attack. Who's foul rep? Number 6. Number 6. First personal foul. 13 foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 2 points by number 89. Last 2 minutes. Number 8. Pass to number 1 point. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7. Number 89. Matake. No foul. Now number 8. Number 8. Pass to number. Flyers ball. Time remaining. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 7. Set up play. Number 7. Pass to number 4. 15 to shoot. Number 34. Number 34. 2 points. The score. 12-20 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 14, pass to number 8, 15 to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 7. Number 7, no good. 10 to shoot. Number 6, 5. 2 points by number 6. Last 1 minute.
Dentro.
Number 4, 15 seconds, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 45 seconds. Who's not it?
Cambio, Bebo.
1-4. Time remaining 42 seconds. Cambio. This means warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. 42 seconds. 10 to shoot. 2 points by number 89. 30 seconds. Number 8. Pass to number 14. Number 14. No good. 20 seconds. 16 seconds.
No entry na rin.
10. 9 seconds. Time remaining. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8.
Adios. Ganda ng sound effect.
Official score 24-14 in favor of Flyers.
Saka napintas to ata di Jay Tamakubong. Ito yung kami open eh. Pero sulit aja yun. Mas natin. Hindi na, kompleto na lahat. Kompleto na, may mic na siya.
Shoutout nga pala kay Julie Hermana Julie Chicago second quarter. Official score 24-14 in favor of Flyers. Inbound by number 6. Pass to number 6 again. Number 6 set the play. Pass to number 8. Nakuha number 8. Pass to number 62. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 34. Who's got it? 2 points by number 34. Number 0. Number 0. Third personal foul. Bonus shot by number 34.
Tatlo na yan, Per.
Bonus shot by number 34. No good. Number 9. Isa pa. Huwag kayo masyadong excited. Bonus shot. Basket is good. The score 27-14 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Number 8, pass to number 6. Number 8 again. 15 to shoot. 2 points by number 1 point. Number 8, set the play. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 34. 15 to shoot. Number 8. Pass to number 1. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4 seconds. 4, 3. Nakakuha number 8. Number 0. Nagmamadali number 0. No foul. Nakakuha number 1. Pass to number 1. Number 1 nagmamadali. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 34, pass to number 62. Number 62, no good. Nakakuha number 18. Number 18, time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 8, set the play. Pass to number 6. 2 points by number 6. Beboy, cambio pa rin. Number 8, set the play. Number 8, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 62. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shot lock.
Number 8, time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to number 0, pass to number 8, 15 to shoot. Number 6, 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
3 seconds.
3 seconds to shoot.
3
3
seconds.
seconds.
3 segundos, sin faltas.
3, 2, 1. 24 shot clock violation. Imbang by number 8, pass to number 1. Time remaining exactly 6 minutes. Number 1, pass to number. Back to number 1. 15 to shoot. Nakakuha ni number 1 point. 1 point pass to number 8. Number 8, attack, pass to number 18. Pass to number 8. Number 8, tumira na 3. Wala, nakakuha number 8. Number 8. Number 8. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Nakakuha number 8. Number 8, number 8. Falta. Number 62. First personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 2 shots by number 8. First throw. Basket is good. Second throw. Basket good again. The score 20-27 in favor of Flyers. Number 8. Set the play. 15 to shoot. Traveling violation. Number 8. Set the play. Pass to number 1 point. Step back. Tumira ng 3. Number 3 points. 10 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to number 1. Number 0. Traveling violation. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Set the play. Number 15 to shoot. Foul. Number 62. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Cambio, Memo.
Cambio. To shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Nago number 0, pass to number 8. Number 8, atake. Foul. Number 8. Number 8. First
Pasok.
foul.
Pasok.
Second team
Pasok.
foul. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes.
Dayot in.
2 shots by number 8. Shoutout nga pala kay Julie. At kay Idol Chaluns. Kanong triples dyan. First row no good. Second throw. No good again. Nakuha ang number 7. Pass to number 1-4. 1-4 pass to number 8. 1-4 ng tilapia. Number 8 pass to number 8 again. Number 8 attack. Lusot pa ang pal. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. Outside. Last 2 minutes. Number 8. Set a play. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. Number 4. Outside.
Maganda din yung ibig
Biscuit ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 34 seconds. Score 23-27 in favor of Flyers. Number 8 set to
Wala nga
play.
di.
Pass to number 6. 15 to shoot. Number 6 no good. Cambio.
Sa
Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds.
pang cover niya talaga dyan.
Number 8. Number 8 set to play. Number pass to number 4. 15 to shoot. Tumira, wala. Nakuha number 9. Nakuha number 4. Last 1 minute.
Wala.
Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 6. Number 6. 14 to shoot. No good. Nakuha number 6. Time remaining 46 seconds. 46 seconds. One shot pass to number 7. This one it? Number 89. Lania. Cambio. Number 89, first personal foul, 13 foul. First throw, no good. Time remaining, 43 seconds. Second throw.
Sidol.
Debo ang cambio pa rin. No good again. Pass to number 8. Number 8, second play. 35 seconds. Pass to number 89. No good. Nakuha number 1 point. Pass to number 6. 13 seconds. Number 6 is number 8. Number 6. Good. Number 6. No good. 23 seconds. Number 8. 10 to shoot. No good. 15 seconds. Number 8. 10 seconds.
White, white.
Players ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Remaining time. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6. Foul. Who's got it? Number 6. Time remaining. 5 seconds. Number 6. Second personal foul. 3rd team foul. 2 shots by number 9. First throw, no good. Time remaining, 5 seconds. Second throw. No good again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter. Official score, 27-23 in favor of Flyers. Number 6, set the play. 15 to shoot. No good. Now number 6. Number 6, set the play. Number 6, 59. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 15 to shoot. No good. Pass to number 33. Number 33, set the play, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Number 89, dribbling the ball, pass to number 6. Pass to number 33. Number 33. Time remaining 8 minutes and 53 seconds. Pass to number 23. 15 to shoot. No good. Nakuha number 4. Number 4 nagmamadali. Attack. Foul. Number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Two shots by number 4. First row. No good. Second throw. No good again. Nakuha number 6. Number 6, pass to number 33. Number 33, attack. Pass to number 7, number 7. 2 points by number 7. He scored 25-27 in favor of Flyers. Number 4, second play, 15 to shoot. No good. Nakuha number 7. Jumbo. Flyers. Flyers. Flyers.
Nag-jambol, boss, nag-jambol.
Dolo niyo ba yun kanina?
Kaka-jambol lang dito. Nag-jambol sila kayo kanina dito.
Nag-jumble din dito kanina. Cortes!
This win ball. Time remaining exactly 7 minutes. Pass to number 4. Number 4, nagmamadali. No good. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10. 9. No good. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. No good again. Foul. Number 6, third personal foul. Second team foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 2 shots by number 6.
Ay, cambio, vale?
First throw. Bebo, ay cambio, vale?
Hindi ko talaga ginalang nung nandito.
Second throw.
Sabi ko, wala sa akin.
No good again. Nagawa number 89. Pass to number 6. Number 4. Number 4 pick. Attack. No good. Nagawa number 6. 15 to shoot. Number 7. Set up play. Pass to number 1. 10 to shoot. Foul. Number 4. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Third.
Sabi ko sa'yo, third pa mo eh.
Cambio. First. Third team foul.
May isa na pump lang.
First throw. Basket is good. Shout out pala kay Kapitan Chester Tapia. Second throw. Ay cambio. Cambio. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 4, set the play. Number 4. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Basket is good by number 0.
Yung naligo na sila. Ang galing.
Number 8. 15 to shoot. Time 3 points by number 6. Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. Number 4 pass to number
Sabi ko
6.
sa kanya, pag libre tira, kahit hindi may shoot.
Attack.
May lisensyasan kumili.
No good. Pass to number 4. Number 4 attack. Spin ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to number 4. Number 0. Set up play. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 3. 15 to shoot. No good. Nakuha number 9. Pass to number 8.
Ay, cambio, vale?
Bebo, ay cambio, vale? Gracias. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Nakuha number 23. Number 23. Nagana ng babasa. Number 34. No good. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 3. Number 2. 2 points by number 2. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Falta.
Number 6. First personal foul.
Number 6, first personal foul. 15 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 14. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 2 points by number 6 is scored. 29-32 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 34. Number 9 pick. No good. Number 1 basket is good. Who's that? Number 23.
First personal foul.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Photo shot by number 9.
Sob. Cambio.
Last 2 minutes.
Bebo.
Is
Ay, cambio.
29-34 in favor of Flyers.
36 na.
No good. Nakuha number 6.
Ay, cambio, vale?
Bebo, ay cambio, vale? Number 0, second play. No good. Now number 34, pass to number 8. Number 6, tumira na 3. No good. Now number 6. Time remaining, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Nakuha number 0. No good again, number 34. Number 34, number 3. Number 34. Foul. Cambio, Bebo, balik. Number 4. Second personal foul, penalty. Bebo, penalty, balik. Two shots by number 34. Score 29-36 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 1 minute and 21 seconds. First throw, no good.
Tago mo pa kasi. Dapat ano mo lang.
Second throw.
Pakita mo kung sino ka.
No good again. Nakuha number 0. Number 8, Sergey, pass to number 6. 1 minute and 15 seconds, 15 to shoot. No good. Foul time. Number 34. Number 34.
1 foul, 2 team foul.
Number 34, first personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. 2 shots by number 0. First throw, no good. Air ball. Kulang sa tulog. Second throw. Not counted. Over the backhood. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 8, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 6. Tata. Number 8.
Paano may shoot ibumba pa?
Number 8,
Dapat na
second
ipam.
personal
Pump
foul.
na maminsan tagajay.
Bebo, ay cambio. No.
Kumagat mo tayo no ipump na ni. Lumagton.
Kasi malaki siya.
2 shots by number 6. Time remaining 57 seconds.
Kita niya di takil di Iceland na di
First shot,
lambot.
basket goal. Almana kay Paddy.
Yun ang sabi ko sa kanya. Okay na yung laro mo sa loob.
Second throw. No good. Number 8. 50 seconds. Falta. Number 6. Ilan na yung number 6? Ng Flyers.
Number 6. 2 foul, tatlong foul.
Number 6, second personal foul, third team foul, time remaining 45 seconds. Number 4,
Balik kayo para listing dyan dito sa flight.
first throw, basket is good. Second throw, basket is good again. 45 seconds.
Dos! Toyo!
31.
Number 1, pass to number 9. Number 9, 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6. Number 9, 14 to shoot. Basket is good. Number 9 is scored. 31-39 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 points. 6 seconds. Time remaining. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Counted.
Basket, basket. The final score, 33-42 in favor of Flyers. End of the third quarter.
41 133, Lamangang 41. Ubus niya na yung pantaboy ah. Oh, panta.
Hindi, okay na namin yan.
Ah, yun na. Katapos. Dami dyan oh.
Ayun na yung kape.
Yan yung pepperoni.
Hindi, tayo mo kasi bukas may bayad kang kamo. Nato mo lang awin yan. Wala kayong kainin
Oh,
mo.
hindi na kabubulik. Alagang-alaga.
First five.
Ayos ah.
This is the final quarter. Second game. Arokaya versus Asador. Ang second game natin, mag-ready na kayo. Asador versus Arokaya. This is the final quarter. Number 6. Pass to number 1-4. 2 points by 1-4 ng Tilapia. Number 8, set up play. Number 8. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 24. No good. Number 6. Attack. Number 6, 2 points. Number 1. Number 15 to shoot.
Kaya mo ito kita biscuit na Bisaya lang sa Oda eh.
No good. Nakuha naman 6.
Kaya mo isa na lang mo di makataros ka niya eh.
Pass. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 0. Number 0 no good. Nakuha number 8. Number 8 na pabalik. Number 8. Number 8. Attack. 8. No good. Pass to number 8. Number 6. Time remaining 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Nakuha number 8. Number 8 at pabalik. Umatake. Number 8. 2 points by number 8. Score 37-43 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 8 minutes and 40 seconds.
Estamos los tres, señores. Detrás tuyo, Mar.
Take shoot. No good. Nakuha number 9. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 1. Ay cambio, pero vale. Gracias. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Eight minutes. Time remaining. Number 4 attack. Pass to number 0. Number 0. No good. Rebound by number 34. Pass to number 8. Pass to number traveling violation. Cambion.
Time out.
Time out. Dismissed. Time remaining 7 minutes and 49 seconds.
Kahuang ay, domingo. Oras ng time out nila. Tawagan daw.
Shoutout pala kay Ogie Alcacid. Takbong mo naman. Score 37-43 in favor of Flyers. Shoutout nga pala kay 360. Andyan na ang kanyang expiration. Back to the ball game. Inbound by number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Set up play. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 1. Number 1 pabalik. Foul. Number 8.
Number 8. Third. Isa sa kanilang
Number 8, third personal foul, first team foul.
Nagsisimula.
Time remaining, 7 minutes and 41 seconds.
Cambio, Bebo!
Gracias. First throw, basket is good. Second throw. No good. Nakuha ni Juan Pop ng tilapia. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 10. Number 2. 15 to shoot.
Patay!
No good. Number 89, pass to number 8. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, number 1. 3 points. Last 7 minutes in the final quarter. Pass to number 8. Number 8 tumira ng 3. Number 8, 3 points. Score 14-27 in favor of Flyers. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 8, pass to number 0. Number 8. Pass to number 4. Number 1. Number 89, pass to number 1. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 89. No good. Number 10. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Tumira ng 3. No good. Number 10. Pass to number 4 ng tilapia. No good. Number 89. Last 6 minutes. Number 89 attack. No good. Same ball. Cambio. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot.
Oras daw.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 53 seconds. 14 to shoot. Pass number 8. Pass number 0. Number 4. Number 1. Number 4. Number 4. Second lane. Pass to number 0. Number 0 po. Attack. No good. Basket is good. 2 points by number 0. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 42-47 in favor of Flyers. Number 1. Tumira ng 3. No good. Ako number 89. Driving in violation. Dribble muna. Bago tira. Dribble muna bago akba. Ay tempo. Bebo, balen. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha number 8, number 9, pass to number 1. Number 1, Mike. Bebo. Number 1, 2 points by number 1. Time remaining 75 minutes. Number 4, second lane. Pass to number 0, number 0. Taban. Flyers. Time remaining 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Official score 42-49 in favor of Flyers.
Hindi mo dali ako. Ilan minutes pa?
In favor of 49. Lamang ang 49 sa 42. Kung meron ka nito, wala kang talo.
Está kayo baho. Salita ka nga.
Hello. Hello. Sound check. Check sound. 1, 2, 3.
Eso es igual que el tuyo, ¿no? Cambiamos el tuyo, ¿eh?
Back to the ball game.
Mira, a ver si lo puedo cambiar, que el grande está a esa más. Es que no tengo el ticket. ¿Ha perdido?
Back to the ball game.
Es que ya está 4 meses. 4 meses.
6 kayo dyan, 6. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Pass to number 20, pass to number 6. Number 6, okay, Al-Qasim. Pass to number 23, pass to number 6, number 7, pass to number 10, number 10, 15 to shoot. Number 23, 10 to shoot. Who's fouled up? Number 89, number 89.
Second personal foul.
Eh? Number 89, second personal foul. 14 to shoot. No good, na-rebound ni number 1.
Okay, kami.
4 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 6, 2 points by number 6. Like Bali, like Sam. Number 10, Sarabli. Pass number 20. Ball up to power connection.
Ay, cambio eh.
Ay cambio na wala. Time remaining, 4 minutes exactly. 15 to shoot. Number 1, Saturday. Pass to the back, number 1 again. How about? Cambio. Number 33, set of play. Pass to number 6, number 0. Traveling direction. Dribble muna, kabak bang. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 8, set of play. 15 to shoot. Ay cambio, vale? Falta. No good. No. Number 7. Cambio. Ay cambio.
Isang foul, dalawa sa team nila.
Number 7. First personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot. Number 89. By number 89. Wingless. Number 33, pass to number 23, number 23, break, tumira ng 3, wala na ako, number 6, pass to number 4, number 4, number 4, 2 points by number 4. Wag na magreklamo kung walang pito ang referee. Time remaining, 3 minutes exactly, number 6, pass to number 23, 15 to shoot. Now number 83. Number 89. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Like father, like son talaga. Ang pinapakita ni Danha.
Walang time out dyan sa kabila.
Time out! Disney. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Score. 45-57 in favor of Flyers.
57, boss.
Second game natin. Arapaya versus Asador. Mag-ready na kayo ha? Yung second game natin, mag-ready na kayo. Mag-warm up muna kayo doon sa kabila, football. 360. Mag-warm up ka muna sa football. Back to the ball game. Inbound by number 23. Pass to number 33. Number 33 set a play. Number 33.
Pagpurtis na lang
Pass
palaro.
to number 0. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Number 4 set a play. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 4 set a play. 15 to shoot. Number 4. 3 points by number 4. Last 2 minutes exactly. Number 23 tumira ng 3. No good. Nakuha ng 0. Pass to number 4. Number 1 nagmamali. Pass to number 6. Carta. Number 4.
So, go, cambio, Bebo.
Cambio. Second personal foul.
Ay, cambio, vale.
Number 4. 1 point ng tilapia. Pass to number 23. Number 23. No good. Number 0. Number 0. 2 points by number 0. Time remaining 1 minute and 33 seconds in the final quarter. Number 4 set of play. 15 to shoot.
Pag pressure mo na, Per. Wala pressure, oh.
2 shots by number 0.
Dapat si Per eh. Pressure, Per.
Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pass to number 3. Nakakuha number 0. Pass to number 4. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Number 7. Trying violation. Time remaining 55 seconds. Cambio. 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Inbound by number 89. Pass to number 4. Number 4 set of play. 50 seconds. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 10. Number 10.
Nung araw, dinatang ko.
First personal foul.
Nung araw.
2 shots by number 6.
Kailan pa yung pump? Pagkuha.
Basket is good.
Bebo. Cambio.
Time remaining 44 seconds. 44 seconds.
Ah, di na daw. Di na daw. Bebo. No.
Basket is good. No. 40 seconds. Who's got up? Number 0. Number 0. Third personal foul. 13 foul. 35 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Galing.
Basket is good. Who's foul? Number 2. Number 2.
Natutak pa yata. Natutak pa.
Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 30 seconds. Bonus shot by number 0.
CJ Aquino.
No good. Rebound by number 0. Who's got up? 1 point. Shout out pala kay CJ.
Hey. Buhe, buka eh.
25 seconds. Foul. Number 4.
Buhe.
Number 4.
Tatlo ka na.
Number 4. Third personal foul. 24 seconds.
Apat na sa kanyang team.
Warning for penalty.
Nakashoot kaya si Cardona. Ano to? Yung
19 seconds.
Tantan.
Basket is good. 14 seconds.
Kapuan daw.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds. 2, 1.
Tignan mo naman yung base.
Winner Flyers, 66-49.
End of the game. Panalo ang Flyers. Score 49-64.